Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by quitting Roblox completely and confirming orientation lock is disabled. This is critical. Next, open Roblox and enter the game that's stuck in portrait mode. Once inside, pause the game and access settings, not just the in-game menu but the app-level settings too. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or stable data because changes may require reconnecting. Now, head to Display or Graphics options to begin forced landscape adjustments. Now you'll change how Roblox handles orientation. Switch graphics mode to manual, then set resolution or aspect to a landscape-friendly value. If there's a mobile layout or portrait option, turn it off. This forces the app to use the default landscape UI. Once changed, rotate your device to landscape and reopen the app. The game should reinitialize in the correct orientation. If not, force close Roblox and relaunch to apply the new display settings properly. Finish by force closing Roblox one more time and relaunching to ensure settings take effect. If the screen still stays vertical, reinstall Roblox. That clears corrupted layout files and often resolves stubborn portrait locks. Make sure your operating system is up to date and recheck that orientation lock is disabled. If problems persist, try a different device or contact Roblox support with your device model and OS. They can diagnose a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.